Good morning, class. Good morning, Mrs. Mitchell. Thank you so much for pretending to be my student this morning. My name is Sol. I'm a student teaching. And today, lesson one piece of one part. Let's solve problem about unit fraction. This is your warm-up. Okay. Notice and wonder. Bake macaroni and cheese. Let's take your paper. What do you notice, Mrs. Mitchell? What do you wonder?
Okay, I noticed that it's a pan full of baked macaroni and cheese. I noticed that it is cut in half or a little less than a half. I noticed that there's a spatula like it was being served to other people, and it looks delicious.
Yes.
I wonder if other people were eating from it.
Oh, wow. I wonder if it's healthy for you to eat it. It can be tasty but not healthy.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Mitchell, for your answer. Okay, do you want to add something more?
Oh, that's what I wonder, and I'm very excited to
eat it also.
for you to teaching me about this
Okay.
fraction.
Turn the second page, Mrs. Mitchell.
Okay.
The second page. 1.1 of what? Let's solve that problem. At a family dinner, a pan of macaroni and cheese is half full. Lynn eat 1/3 of the remaining macaroni and cheese in the pan. Draw a diagram to represent the situation. Let's pretend you are Lynn and you eat 1/3 of the remaining macaroni and cheese. Draw the diagram, Ms. Mitchell.
Okay, all right. Let me go ahead and draw my diagram.
Yes. Okay. So let's
All right.
let's draw the diagram.
All right.
Like, for example, that's my diagram, and 1/2 is full. That's full. That's finished to eat. Okay. You, Mrs. Mitchell, you will eat 1/3 on the pot who is full. 1, 2, 3. So you eat 1/3.
Right.
Oh wow! So 1/3 of the full pot.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Second question: explain or show you know your diagram represents the situation. Explain to me, or do you know the diagram represents the situation?
Okay. So the diagram is representing the situation because the question says Lynn eats 1/3 of the remaining half of the mac and cheese. Now on the diagram, it shows it's cut in 2, which is a half, right? And then of that half, right, Lynn eats 1/3 of it. So the shaded portion is the 1/3 that Lynn eats.
Good.
So that's how my diagram represents the situation.
Thank you, Mrs. Mitchell. Thank you so much. Good, congratulations. Let's turn the third page. 1.2, the same but different. And that problem, Mrs. Mitchell, they change the number. Number first, explain or show or each diagram with 1/4 of 1/2 of the pan of macaroni and cheese.
Okay. All right. So you're going to give me like 2 minutes to do
Yes,
that?
yes,
All right.
yes,
Thank you.
So let's make the diagram, Miss Mitchell. Oh, let's make the diagram again. Okay. 1/2 is full. That the other part is finished. 1/4 is the first part. The first part have to contain 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they told me 1/4 is half of the full part. 1/4.
All right. So I want to. Okay. So thank you, Miss Earl, for explaining. Now I can do this on my own. So all right.
Okay.
So so that shaded part is 1/4. So that part I could count 1, 2, I have on my paper, 3, 4.
Yes, great.
Right.
Great.
And then now there's the B part where it cuts in 4 but different shape. But it
shape.
counts as the same
The same.
4.
The same. Okay.
Right? So the shaded part is 1, and the other parts 2, 3, and that is 1, 4.
Okay. 1
Right.
4 of the full part.
Right.
Of the half part. Okay, great, Mrs. Mitchell. Great. Okay. Second question. Use the diagram to show 1 4 of half is 1/8. You're going to show me the whole pen represents 1/8. 1/8.
Okay. So I have 1 4
1 4
plus 1 4
yes,
equal 1/8.
1/8. Good, good, Mrs. Mitchell. Good,
Right.
good. Okay, great, great. Thank you. That's correct. So the last page, we're still on lesson 1, one piece of 1 part. We're going to slow down a little bit, cool down, because it's almost finished.
So this I'm gonna do on my own now.
Okay, macaroni and cheese. We're still on the same page, macaroni and cheese. A pan of macaroni and cheese is 1/2 full. That means you eat 1 out of 5 of the remaining macaroni and cheese of the pan. We're going to draw a diagram to represent the situation.
Alright, so I'm gonna draw my diagram now.
Yes, Mrs. Mitchell? Yes, yes. So that's the diagram. Okay? They told us 1/2 is full, Mrs. Mitchell.
Right.
1/2 is full, and
Okay.
the other one is finished. That means the family are already finished to eat the half of them and the full part, but might decide to eat 1/5. The full part might divided in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So might decide to eat one out of 5.
Right.
So she decided to eat 1 out of 5.
Right.
Okay, and the 1/2 who is
Yes.
full.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Mitchell. So that's the fraction I get. 1/5. 1/5. Okay, 1/5. Okay. So they told us to drag the diagram, and I draw the diagram. Okay. How much of the whole pan did my eat, Miss Mitchell? Or do you pretend that? Or do you think about that?
Okay, so the whole pan is the pan of macaroni and cheese is 1/2 full, right? And Maya eats 1 of the 5,
Yes.
1 out of 5. So would the whole pan be 1 out of 10?
Yes, because we divide the full pot in
Right.
5 parts.
Right, and if you divide the other part in 5 parts, it will be 1 out of 10.
So we plus
Right.
the full pot 1/5
Yeah.
plus the finished pot 1/5. We get 1/10.
Right.
Okay, Miss
Yes.
Mitchell.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for participation, and God bless.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you so much.